Activity 12D, we have to do this activity on Adobe Photoshop, and we have to create a new image advertising of Tawara Elephant Orphanage using the images elephant.jpg and text3.png. So these two our source files. Please two copies of the elephant image like this, like you can see in this picture. Group these two layers, add the text so that the image look like this. So we have to save this activity in 12D. So I am going to open this image on Adobe Photoshop, and elephant image. First of all, I have to adjust this elephant JPEG. So I open this in Adobe Photoshop. This image is open here, and make sure this auto select is here. I selected already. So I just check the file size and its resolution. Its file size is 6.6667 and 4.43 inches and 300 dpi. I just change it to 6, and this automatically height goes to 4. Okay, 3.99, it's mean 4. I just change it to 6 and 4 size. Okay, now I have to double this width to make this banner. Okay, just see this banner. One elephant face is right side and other is on the left side. So I just click on the new, and in the new document I choose the size in inches and width 12 and the height is 4 and resolution is 300 dpi. 300 ppi. Okay, and the file is new file is here. I just drag this elephant to this image on the right side, and I create the duplicate of this image. Duplicate, you can press alt button, or you also can drag this again one time more. I simply press the alt button and I drag it on this side. Now you can see that if I go to the layer panel, and now there are two layers, three layers, one background, and one layer 2 and layer 3, the copy of this layer. And copy of the list this layer, I just reflect it. I go to the in edit and transform, and I just rotate it, flip horizontal, and now you can see this the both images are like you see in your activity image. Now I just merge these two images. I just or group these two images. This is optional, but I am going to group the both layers in one group. And next work is our text 3, and I drag this text 3 over this image. Okay, I just drag to the Photoshop again, or you can open and copy paste also. So in the middle of this image, when you go, this pink color grid lines tell you are in the middle. So in middle you just put it here, and you save this file. Click on the save as button, and then in your work area you choose the jpg or jpeg, and type here activity 12D. So this is your activity 12D we have done, and we just make this file here in our work folder. Okay, in our work folder I show you this image is now looking like this. Okay, so we create this advertising. Activity D is complete. So if any question about any work, you can ask from me, and you also see my all old videos in I complete all the tasks and all the activities. In my next video I am going to show you how to do the all the activities of chapter number 13. Thank you very much.